The pressure to have it all, excelling in a career, maintaining a thriving personal life, and fulfilling societal expectations can have significant mental health implications, especially in today's demanding work environment. Here are some key effects. Chronic stress. Balancing multiple roles. The constant juggling of professional responsibilities with personal life can lead to chronic stress. The need to be perfect in all areas often results in prolonged periods of stress, which can have negative effects on physical and mental health. High expectations. Unrealistic societal and self-imposed expectations can contribute to feelings of inadequacy and overwhelm, increasing stress levels. Burnout. Overcommitment. Trying to excel in all areas without adequate rest or downtime can lead to burnout. This state of emotional, physical, and mental exhaustion is common among those who feel the need to do it all. Loss of fulfillment. Burnout often results in a loss of passion and motivation for work and personal activities, further exacerbating mental health issues. Anxiety and depression. Fear of failure. The pressure to succeed in multiple domains can create a pervasive fear of failure, leading to anxiety. This anxiety can become debilitating, making it difficult to focus or enjoy life. Isolation. The perceived need to have it all can lead to isolation, as individuals may withdraw from social support networks due to time constraints or feelings of inadequacy. This isolation can contribute to feelings of depression. Imposter syndrome. Doubting achievements. Despite accomplishments, individuals under the pressure to have it all may experience imposter syndrome, doubting their abilities and feeling like frauds. This can erode self-esteem and increase stress. Guilt and shame. Inability to meet expectations. When people feel they are not meeting the high standards they've set for themselves, guilt and shame can set in. These emotions can be harmful to mental health, leading to negative self-perception and further stress. Work-life imbalance. Neglecting personal well-being. The focus on achieving success in all areas can lead to neglecting personal needs, such as sleep, exercise, and relaxation. This imbalance can deteriorate both physical and mental health over time. Reduced life satisfaction. Constant dissatisfaction. The relentless pursuit of having it all can lead to chronic dissatisfaction, as people may always feel they are falling short in one area or another. This can reduce overall life satisfaction and happiness. Strategies for mitigating these effects. Set realistic goals. Focus on what truly matters and set achievable goals that prioritize well-being. Seek support. Rely on social networks, professional counseling, or coaching to help manage expectations and stress. Practice self-compassion. Accept that it's okay not to excel in every area at all times. Self-compassion can buffer against negative mental health outcomes. Prioritize self-care. Regularly engage in activities that rejuvenate and relax you, ensuring a balance between work and personal life.